y equals mx plus b. So what does that mean? Well, before we get to the answer, let's talk about my little friend, this cat here. So this cat means that you need to pause the video. That's right, stop the video. Click pause. On this slide, I want you to pause the video and then look down at the description of this video. There's a link for a graphic organizer. Open up that graphic organizer and make a copy for yourself. You'll use it throughout the whole video. Okay, do that now. So you see that cat there? That means you're going to be filling in a note. So I've included our equation, y equals mx plus b. This is an important equation because we use it to draw lines on a graph. The m means we're talking about slope, and the b is the y-intercept. So what is slope and y-intercept? Slope is how steep the line is, how much it's going up or down. If I move 1 unit on the x-axis, how many units do I have to move on the y-axis? If I have a slope of 2, when I go over 1 to the right, I will go up 2. Now let's look at the y-intercept. I said that the equation y equals mx plus b means we're drawing a line on a graph. The y-intercept is where that line hits the y-axis. So where x equals 0, and there's that y line going up and down. The important thing to remember is that y equals mx plus b means we're drawing a straight line. So let's try it out. Here we have the equation y equals 2x plus 1. I like to start with the y-intercept, that b. Here our y-intercept equals 1. So I'm going to look at the y-axis, and I'm going to go up 1 and put a dot right there. Now let's look at our slope. Here our slope is 2. So remember, this is being multiplied by our x. So when my x equals 1, I'm going to multiply it by 2. I have to go up 2. So if I go over 1, I go up 2, and I put my next dot. Now that I have 2 dots, I can draw a line. That's what this equation represents. So this is the line that this equation represents. Now I want you to try. So here's a line on a graph. This will be on your graphic organizer, and I want you to write the equation of the line. Think about what is the slope and what is the y-intercept. Once you are done, at the bottom of your graphic organizer is a link to a Google form. In that form, type in the equation for this line. You can do it.